Hello my friends, welcome. In this tutorial on how to configure the AI chatbot for booking automation, we will explore how the RadiusBooking plugin transforms traditional scheduling into a fully automated, intelligent experience. While you enabling AI chatbot, several settings options will be available. Select the AI provider, then provide its API key and the model. Then choose the response style between these two. Enable the classic toggle to show it while switching between AI booking and classic form. From the display settings, you can choose any one display mode for controlling where the chatbot appears. Next, appearance and live preview. You can customize the chatbot like bubble icon color, primary color, widget position, and etc. Now, let's save all these changes and visit the site. Let's ask any question to test the booking assistant, like which service do you want to take, and immediately it will provide you all the service name together so that you can easily book your appointment. After selecting the service, instantly it will provide the customers all the staff members' name and ask from whom they want to take the service. In this way, if customers ask question one after another, the AI booking assistant will automatically keep providing answers. For example, for service booking, which date do you want to select? Then after the date, available time slots, etc. And like this, you will automatically get everything ready-made for service booking. You just need to provide your name, and email address. And instantly you will get a confirmation message without any manual settings. Now it's time to complete the order status from pending. For this, go back to the RadiusBooking, navigate to the recently added appointment details. And this is the customer list. Go to the payment. And now you are watching the payment details. From the payment method, while clicking on Mark as Paid, the order status will automatically be displayed as paid. And this is how you can configure AI chatbot for booking automation in RadiusBooking plugin. Thank you.